So in this video, we are going to be talking about address in Solidity. An address in Solidity is a 20 byte value representing an Ethereum address. So let's see. So we start by declaring an address type. Name this public. Then my address. So we'll name this, we'll declare this variable called address public my address. So this is what an address look like. All these are all addresses. So let's copy one. Let's store an address in this variable. So we're going to initiate this. This address like this that you're seeing cannot receive payments. It cannot receive Ether, it cannot receive BNB, it cannot receive any L1 payments. It can only receive ERC20 tokens, NFTs, other kind of assets, but it cannot receive payments like BNB, Ethereum, and other coins. This can only receive those payments when we convert this address to a payable type. So how do we convert this address to a payable type? We do this by adding the payable keyword. We enclose the address in the payable keyword. Then this address now can now receive Ether. So without this payable, it cannot receive Ether. So let's get rid of the payable and let's try and do something. So we are going to be sending Ether to this contract. Then we'll try and withdraw the Ether. I will send the Ether to this address. So we are going to do a function. I'm going to do a function withdraw. Let's be public. So since we already stored our address in our state variable my address, we'll just do a my address. That's transfer. Then we transfer the balance of the contract. We're doing address bracket this dot balance. You can see it threw an error. So let's read the content of the error. You can see send and transfer are only available for objects of type address payable. So you can see it has to be payable for it to receive Ether. So we can convert this in two ways. Is either we add our payable here, convert my address to payable, or we do it here. You can see it doesn't have any error anymore. So I hope you get the concept. So for us to be able to send Ether to this address, it has to be payable. So let's try. So let's make this a payable contract. So let's try and deploy and see. So we've deployed our contract successfully. So we are going to be depositing some Ether. Let's deposit 10 Ether. Right. You can see the transaction went successfully. You can see we have 10 Ether here. And we have 89 Ether. So let's try and withdraw and see. You can see transaction went successfully. We now have 0 Ether and we have 99 Ether here. And if you like this video, kindly subscribe, turn on post notifications so you'll be the first to know whenever I drop a new video. Thank you.